Perogy Days continue every Wednesday at the Polish Combatants Association, branch number 1 on North Cumberland Street. Now they are serving up pierogi from 9:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. They also have cabbage rolls, chicken, penny with meatballs, vegan beet soup, and so much more. So come on in for Polish hospitality at its best. And Eco Superior, along with Community Spokes, is holding another bike mechanic workshop for beginners. They'll teach you how to clean your chain, adjust your seat height, deal with squeaky brakes, and so much more. Now the next one runs Wednesday from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. at Community Spokes, 303 Simpson Street. To register, just go to ecosuperior.org and click on the events link. I'm Fiona Gardner. That's what's happening.